Hey guys, Jordan here. Before we dive into this video, I just want to say that you can sign up for the complete course, The Ultimate Photographer Formula, free of charge. It is an email course, so you'll get one video a day over the duration of 65 days as you progress through the course. And you can sign up for that free of charge by clicking the link in the description. Enjoy the video. Alright guys, in this video we're going to go over transitions and assets that will help spice up your videos. I'm going to give you a few sites where you can purchase professional transitions, text, and effects. Now it's important to know that most transitions are made specifically for a particular editing platform. Luckily, these sites that I'm about to recommend will usually break down transitions by editing software. So whether you're using Final Cut Pro, Premiere Pro, or DaVinci Resolve, there will be some great options for you to choose from. So the main platform that we use to purchase transitions and assets for Final Cut Pro is a site called Pixel Film Studios. We have easily spent thousands of dollars on this site. From transitions to text presets to cool effects, they provide some really great professional looking assets that will improve your videos. Now the most important thing to remember when purchasing assets for your real estate videos is to try to keep them classy and simple. There are a bunch of great options out there that might look really cool in a music video or action film, but aren't really appropriate for real estate. Just remember that these assets should help sell the home, not distract the viewers and take away from the story that you're trying to tell. So Pixel Film Studios is a good recommendation if you're going to be using Final Cut Pro. Here are a few other sites that we recommend if you're using Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve. Number 1 is Motion VFX. Number 2 is Envato Market, and number 3 is Motion Array. These sites are all pretty good and will provide multiple options to choose from no matter what software you are using. These are just the platforms that we have used here at Lister Pros. There are plenty more out there to choose from. Just Google transitions for Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or DaVinci Resolve, and you'll find more options. Alright guys, well that's going to be it for this video. Reach out if you have any questions. We'll see you guys on the next one.